Hi, Gabby. What is your talent?
Omelet.
Omelet. You're going to make an omelet?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of omelet are you going to make?
Breakfast.
A breakfast omelet?
Mm-hmm.
And what's going to be in your omelet? Bacon. Salami. Butter. Ice. Cheese.
And
Egg. Olive oil, right?
Yes,
Okay, so what are the first thing we're going to do?
the salami.
We're going to cut our salami. You're cutting them into bite-sized pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, and then now what we're going to do? Okay. Okay, good job. And then what are we going to add to the pan? Oil first. So we're going to measure out a half a tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to add our salami
Yep.
and our
Bacon.
bacon. Okay. Okay, so then while that's cooking, what are we going to do?
Egg.
Right, we're going to do our egg. Okay, so let's crack our egg. All right. Now, what do we add to the egg?
Water.
All right, so put a tablespoon of water in there.
Okay. And 8 inch.
We're going to put an ice cube in. So put it over where it's not on top of the egg, right there, right? Okay, and then what do? We put the lid on.
Yep.
So we steam the egg so it cooks all the way through. And we set the timer for 1 minute. When we take off the lid, what are we going to add?
Cheese.
Cheese, right.
Like that.
We have to turn off the stove. Take your spatula around and kind of loosen it up a little bit so it'll slide out, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to scramble it. We just want it to be loose. Okay, now, we're going to slide it out. We're going to power through even though we touched the pan and we hurt ourselves. All right. So, we're back because we took care of our burn because we are a major chef and we can keep on working and finish our job. All right, can you show us what your finished product? All right, there it is. An omelet made just by Gabby.
Yep.
All right, bye.
Bye.